Good news! Nakaka-excite naman po ang balitang ito para sa mga caregivers. Sa mga nangangarap na mag-Canada, lalong-lalo na po ang mga caregivers, eto na po ang chance nyo. Magla-launch ng bagong programa ang Canada at ito ay landed PR na po. Uulitin ko po, pagdating nyo dito sa Canada ay permanent resident kaagad. Magandang opportunity po ito para po makasama nyo kaagad ang inyong mga pamilya dito sa Canada. Hindi po kailangan ng LMIA ito. Process nyo ng mga documents nyo ay diretsong permanent residence po. Mas pinaganda ang program na to, mas mabilis, at walang ka-stress-stress po. Siguradong meron po kayong status pagdating dito sa Canada. Manood po tayo hanggang dulo para po magka-idea tayo kung ano po ang mga eligibility requirements nito. Ang recent program ng caregiver na Home Childcare and Home Support Pilot ay magtatapos na po this month of June. Itong kasalukuyang program ay medyo pahirapan sa pagkuha ng permanent residency. Mabuti na lamang po at merong mga Filipino advocacy group na pinaglaban ang karapatan ng mga caregivers dito sa Canada. At ito po ang sagot sa panawagan ng mga caregivers. At ang bagong programang ito ay tinatawag na New Enhanced Caregiver Pilot Program. Abangan po natin ito dahil maganda ang program na ito at hindi po mataas ang criteria of eligibility nito. Pero bago ko po i-share ang mga criteria ay panoorin po muna natin itong short clip na in-announce ng IRCC na si Mr. Miller noong June 3, 2024.
Today I'm very pleased to announce that we are launching new pilots that will provide permanent residency status for caregivers as soon as they arrive in Canada. The biggest change coming in these new pilots will be providing a one-step immigration process. Before, caregivers first needed to get work permits and then obtain work experience before applying for permanent residency. Under the new rules, we're simplifying the process and providing them with a clear, straightforward pathway to stay and care for our loved ones. The change will notably provide more autonomy for caregivers to leave workplaces with abusive situations and seek opportunities to advance in the care sector. And Lord knows I've heard a lot of those stories, not only today, but in the past, as we've been listening and reaching out to people that have been providing that support and have been in abusive situations. I'm also pleased to share that we are lowering, out of fairness, the language requirements to Canada Language Benchmark 4 under these new PR on arrival pilots. Our aim is to strike a balance between breaking down the barriers caregivers face to get PR and selecting newcomers who will be resilient to changes in the labor market. Lowering the language requirements is a must-needed change that we've heard directly from the community on, and will align with other programs in my department, as well as provincial programs, creating better consistency and fairness for all applicants. Caregivers will still have the needed language skills to work in the caregiving field. Let me be clear about that. And finally, as we look to address the desperate need for caregivers, we're also expanding the pilot programs from private household employers now to also include organizations who will directly employ home care workers. This will allow for and not-for-profit organizations to provide job offers and help address home care needs where labor shortages exist. But let me be clear, we're not including placement agencies.
Ibang mga detalye po ay ilalabas po nila in the upcoming few days. Kaya abangan po talaga natin ito. Malaki ang pangangailangan ng mga caregiver ni Canada dahil sa lumalaking tumatandang populasyon ng bansa. Ano-ano po ba ang mga eligibility requirements nito? Kailangan po natin na makakuha ng CLB-4 sa ating English test or IELTS. Napakababa po nito. Madali lang po ito abutin. Kasunod naman, ang ating education dapat ay equivalent sa Canadian High School Diploma. Para malaman po ito, kailangan po ay kumuha tayo ng ECA or Educational Credential Assessment, katulad ng sa WES or World Education Services. Ipapadala po natin dito sa Canada ang ating TOR para po ma-access. Kasunod po, have recent and relevant work experience. Kailangan po na makakakuha tayo ng offer na full-time home care job. Applicants will also be allowed to work for organizations that provide temporary or part-time care for people. Yun pong mga nangangailangan ng care na mga pasyente or nangangailangan ng tulong. Itong pathway na ito, caregivers mas madali po makakakita ng proper work with reliable employers. At tandaan po natin, nabanggit din po sa announcement ng IRCC na hindi po ito mga placement agencies. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang video na to at nakakatulong po sa paghahanap nyo ng trabaho dito sa Canada as caregiver. Huwag po natin kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para po ma-notify tayo sa mga susunod nating mga videos. I-share na din natin. Maraming salamat po. Ingat. God bless. Bye.